In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a message in Meta Business Suite. Whether you're tidying up your inbox or removing old conversations that are no longer relevant, knowing how to navigate this feature effectively can be a real time saver. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Meta Business Suite. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. This is your main navigation tool within the suite. Look for the option labeled Inbox and give it a click. This will take you to the section where all your business messages are stored. Upon entering the inbox, you'll find a list of your conversations. Browse through this list to locate the specific conversation you wish to delete. Once you've found it, simply click to open the conversation. This will bring up the entire message thread, giving you a clear view of all the interactions that have taken place within that conversation. Now, with the conversation open in front of you, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice an option that says Delete Conversation. Click on this option. It's important to be sure that you want to remove this conversation, as this action will delete the entire thread permanently. After clicking Delete Conversation, a prompt will appear on your screen. This is a confirmation step to ensure that you really intend to delete the conversation. It's a good time to double-check that you're removing the correct thread. If you're certain, go ahead and click on Delete in the prompt. And that's it! You've successfully deleted a conversation in Meta Business Suite. Remember, once a conversation is deleted, it cannot be recovered, so make sure that you no longer need any information from it before you proceed with deletion. This process is straightforward once you know where to click, but it's always a good idea to take your time and ensure that you're deleting the right conversations. Keeping your inbox organized can help you manage your business communications more efficiently, making it easier to focus on the messages that truly matter. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out other resources or reach out for support. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your Meta Business Suite. Have a great day.